Recently, I saw a post of a video that was completely generated by AI. As someone who works as a video editor for a living, it got me thinking, will AI take my job? As you can see, AI is not quite there yet when it comes to generating video. However, the hype for AI is very real. It seems like everybody is incorporating it into whatever they can.
Gemini.
Apple Intelligence.
AI Pin.
We got Meta AI.
This is the Rabbit R1.
The truth is, AI has come a long way, but there's a little bit more to it than that. So let's dig a little bit deeper and see if AI could really take my job. There's basically two types of AI. There's what I consider supplemental AI, which is like a tool. And then there's generative AI, which is AI that is like used to replace things. Now, generative AI is very impressive. Even if you look at it a year ago, it's not even close to what it is today. However, it is still not great. You can obviously tell what is made by AI and what is real. The quality is just not the same. If you're a content creator or a video editor, you've probably seen that there are programs now that use AI to clip segments of longer videos and format them into platforms like TikTok or YouTube Shorts. These programs try to automate that portion of the video editing process for you to try and save you some time, which it can do, but the quality is just not there yet. Sometimes the cuts are very obvious. Sometimes it clips things that just aren't that interesting. So it's not quite the same as a real video editor. Now you may be saying, well, someday AI is going to be just as good as a real video editor. They'll be able to make it sound and look just as good. While that may be the case, it's not as simple as that. I bet if you were to ask any of the biggest YouTubers right now if they would let AI fully take over their videos, I bet none of them would do that. And the reason is very simple. Imagine if everybody used AI to clip their content. It would be like a void of endless, boring, low quality stuff. There would be zero creativity and zero emotion in these videos. AI doesn't pay attention to how someone is feeling, or it's not as customizable as a creator may want it to be. And that is the biggest difference. Real video editors don't just throw clips together willy-nilly. They're crafting a narrative or a story. You need an understanding of storytelling and audience engagement, and sometimes even like a gut feeling of something you think would be good for a video. And that's not something that you can train AI to do. Now, don't get me wrong. I don't think all AI is bad. It depends on how you use it. I think AI should be used as a tool and not a replacement. There are tons of supplemental AI programs to help you speed up your work, and that is where AI really shines. There are programs that can cut the dead space out of a video so you don't have to do that yourself, and you can focus on just cutting the main part of the video. And there are also programs that can automatically switch between multiple cameras when you have a multi-cam project. There's just tons of these tools, and I'm sure there will be even more in the future. I think if you're not using these tools, you will quickly fall behind in the content creator space. But at the same time, if you only use AI to generate your content for you, I think you'll also fall behind, because people recognize and value creativity and high quality content. So those are my thoughts on the whole AI situation in the industry. What are your thoughts on AI and video editing or content creation? I'll be joining the discussion down in the comments. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this short video. Make sure to subscribe for more insights on content creation. And hey, if you're looking for a video editor to help you with your content creation for your YouTube channel or business, we'd love to help you out here at Creatorluxe. Have a great day.